another case on the board. Solve for x in the equation. We are going to work out this very equation and solve for this x. And at the end, we are going to pick the best option. Okay, let us see how we need to resolve it. How we need to resolve it. I want to see how we can do this. Okay, now I need to write down the equation first. We have 3 power 2s minus 12, and we have 3 power s in bracket plus 27 equal 0. We have plus 27 equals 0. Now, for this very one, I can rework it. For this one, I can rework it. I can have it as 3 power s, and I have the square outside, minus 12, and still have 3 power s in bracket plus 27 equal 0. Okay, let's now look at the one in bracket, 3 power s. I can say, let 3 power s equal p. It means that wherever I have 3 power s, I will have to replace it with p. Therefore, I will now have p squared minus 12p plus 27 equals 0. Equals 0. Okay? Now we have quadratic equation. We need to factorize. I need to think of two numbers I can add up to give me the coefficient of p. And when I multiply that two numbers, that same two numbers, I will have plus 27. Okay? We simply have minus 9 minus 3. Minus 9 minus 3 will give me the coefficient of p. Then minus 12. And when I multiply it, minus 9 times minus 3, and I will have plus 27. Okay? Since we are dealing with p, I need to have p here, become 9p, here become 3p. Okay? Remember, we still have plus 27 equals 0. Okay? We pick the first two and factorize, we pick the other one and factorize. Now, what is the highest common factor? Here is p. Okay? If p divided left to p, and p divided, we have 9. Now, the highest common factor is 3. Minus 3, we have to factor it out. Okay? 3 divided is left to p. This minus we have fed this plus become minus. 3 we have to share 27, we have 9 equals 0. Now we now have a common bracket. I need to pick one of the brackets. And okay, I'll pick one of the brackets. I will do away with the other one. And for the one outside, form the second bracket minus, that is p minus 3. P minus 3 is the one outside the bracket to form the second bracket equal 0. Now, what does this one mean? It simply means that p, that for this part, p minus 9 equals 0, or p minus 3 equals 0. I need to determine p. Minus 9 need to cross over, become plus 9, or p equal 9. Or this one will also cross over and become p equal 3. Now we have two values. Now we have two values for p. Okay, but in the equation we don't have p. We are dealing with x in the equation, and we're asked to solve for this x. We're asked to solve for this x. Okay, now I need to go further. I will now say if p equal 9. Remember I told you that let 3 power s equal p. Okay, 3 power s equals p. It means that wherever I have p, I will have to replace it with 9. And I have this now. Okay, this one is a simple equation. That is an equation involving indices. Now we have different bases. We have different bases on both sides. I need to equalize the base. I'll have to reduce this very one, become 3 power s. Okay, equal 3 power 2. I need to reduce this very one to the base of this. We now have an equal base. Now it means that we can eliminate the base since we have the same base. Okay, the answer will now be left with the indices. That is x equal to. Okay, what about if p is equal 3. What will happen? I will have to still take your mind back to this point. Let 3 power s equal p. 3 power s equal p. It means that wherever I have p, I will put 3 there. Okay, for this one, we can reduce. We have equal base already. Don't forget that 3 is the same as 3 power 1. Okay, I can eliminate the base. I will now have s equal 1. Okay, therefore now, it means that for s, we have it as 1 or 2 or 2. Okay, now we can now go back to the options. Okay, the best one will be, okay, it's going to be option B. Meaning the best option is B. That is the best option for this very problem. Thank you for joining me on the platform TB Jumbo Online Mathematics. Please don't forget to also follow me up on my YouTube channel, Mathematics Science Manga Tutorial. All the best.